Hi, in this sketch we are going to see how we can interface our ultrasonic sensor um, and get the value of the distance. So here, as you can see, um, we have two major pins, that is echo pin, which is connected to pin 2 of your Arduino, and the trigger pin, which is connected to pin 3. And these are the two major pins which are connected to your ultrasonic sensors. Apart from that, by the schematics, you are also connecting your VDD and the ground signals too. So in the setup, we are trying to open up our serial port so that the distances will be sent back to the IDE. So for this, we actually would need to open up our serial monitor and see what the distances are from the ultrasonic sensor. And then we also define our directions for the pin. So as we know, the echo pin is going to be the input, and the trigger pin is going to be the output. The way in which the ultrasonic sensor works is that we send out a trigger through the output and get the corresponding value in the echo pin. So once it bounces off the object, it bounces back from the object and comes into the echo pin. So therefore a trigger is given as an output, and then the echo is received as an input, and we then try to monitor um, the pulse duration and determine the distance. So the trigger is actually specified by these four statements. As you can see, we drive the trigger pin low for 2 microseconds. So we call the delay in microseconds, which is a built-in function, and then we drive it high for 10 milliseconds. So that forms a trigger. So and then later on we also drive it low, and so we have now sent a trigger. Now the value which is received of the echo is read in as a pulse in, and we try to find out the duration, which is the period which it was high. That measures the distance, so it is translated or stored in a variable called distance, and we try to normalize it. So this again depends on some trial and error, and later on the distance is actually printed or sent to the serial port using the print line, and this entire process is repeated in a loop.